One of the most unexpected questions I get as a video editor is what type of makeup is best for filming. These are some of the best makeup products that I've found for filming videos like TikToks, YouTube, and I've never heard anyone talk about these tips. First thing you want to do when you're filming is have good posture, put your shoulders back, have a chair that's comfortable. Second tip is to wear colors you love and that look good on you. I love the colors pink and blue. Make sure to put color in your video. That's an instant way to just elevate it and make it a lot more watchable. First thing I want to show you is my favorite foundation for filming, and it's, drumroll, the It Cosmetics CC Cream. So it has two ingredients, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which usually would create flashback, but because they're micro-ionized, they don't create flashback. It's by far my favorite foundation. I have not found anything that even remotely competes. Another thing you got to do before you film is eye drops. I use Lumify. This stuff makes your eyes pop, it makes them whiter, which makes you look just more awake, and it comes across better on camera. The next thing I would do is pick a really easy hairstyle. I do the heatless curls the night before I film. I use this thing and I'll just put it in my hair at night. Pick a hairstyle that you really like on yourself and that's easy for you to do. It doesn't stress you out. The more you're stressing yourself out before filming, the worse the filming will go. We're getting to my favorite tip. Instead of using these because they're very like glittery and glowy, get yourself a multi-use face gel. Okay, I found this one on Sephora. It's almost like a lip gloss for your cheekbones. It gives you a really natural glow that doesn't look shimmery or white cast. A little bit goes a long way. This is gonna last me actual years. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. I make videos every 2 weeks on video editing, filming, YouTube, all that stuff. So subscribe, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Mwah.